and I'm here to talk to you about circles. Circles. I think they're one of the most important shapes in the world. Without circles, we would not be able to play sports like basketball, soccer, volleyball, and frisbee.
When you draw a straight line in the middle of the circle, the measurement that you find is called the diameter.
First, we are going to talk about radius. What is radius? Radius is half of the diameter. The common distance of points of a circle from the center to the end. That is called radius. How do you find radius? Well, I have a circle right here. This is the middle of the circle. This is the diameter. If I put a line down the middle of the circle, this side or this side is the radius. The radius is used to find the diameter.
What is the circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle is the outer measurement of the circle, no matter what size. There are two ways to find the circumference for a circle. The first way is pi times diameter. The second way is 2 times r times pi, which is always 3.14.
Now we are going to talk about the area. What is the area? The area is the inner measurement of the circle. The formula for finding the area is pi times r squared. What is r? R is the short form for radius.
What is pi? Pi is used to represent the most widely common mathematical constant. By definition, pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. In other words, pi equals the circumference divided by the diameter. Conversely, the circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. No matter how large or small the circle is, pi will always work out to be the same number, 3.14. Pi is an irrational number, which means that it is a real number with a non-repeating decimal expansion. It is the cornerstone and the foundation of science and technology. It is a basic tool of all engineers and designers. And it doesn't exist except in our mental construct. It is a symbol, not a thing. We talk about it in every language on earth. It is written in millions of textbooks and known over the internet, yet we cannot put it in the wheelbarrow. It doesn't exist in a three-dimensional world, or even a two-dimensional world. It is merely a representation. A circle is not a thing in itself. It is a semantic fabrication that exists only in our imagination. So for now, let's just say that circles are everything and they are nothing. They don't exist in reality, and yet they are the basis of all that mankind has brought into existence.
If there was no such thing as circles, people could not do this.
So basically what we're trying to say here is that circles are a very important shape. Without circles, it would be very difficult to live. Without them, most sports would not exist at all, and buildings and structures would be very boring and very